First, the headlines. Assam finally gets updated NRC. Over 3 crore found eligible. Environmental awareness through Eco Club a must, says Chief Minister Biren. Huge catch of arms and ammo unearthed in Imphal East. And brown sugar worth rupees 5 crore seized on Imphal More Road. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL Sambandhuram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in details. Assam today finally got its updated version of the National Register of Citizens NRC with a total of 3,11,21,004 persons found eligible for inclusion in the final list. A total of 19,06,657 persons, including those who did not submit claims, have failed to make it to the final NRC list. New Delhi-based Rights and Risk Analysis Group RAG termed it as largest such incident making people stateless in recent times. Necessary assistance from the state government will be provided through the District Legal Services Authority DLSA. Moreover, people have been repeatedly assured that those whose names have been excluded from NRC would get an opportunity to file their appeal and be heard in the Foreigners Tribunal FT as per the direction of the Union Home Ministry. Notably, the time limit for them to fill in appeals has been increased to 120 days from 60 days. Meanwhile, Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today said that final version of the National Register of Citizens NRC did not contain names of many persons coming to India from Bangladesh before 1971, the cutoff period. The senior leader of the ruling BJP also alleged that the legacy data were manipulated to include names of doubtful persons as alleged by many.
NRC gi list gi chithabam di thokte karigumba original inhabitant haibasi masak munna define oide kanano original inhabitant haibasi masi community gi list ama government na natraga Supreme Court na sambirakte etta atopa any state ki mi ma leiba jabagi ayaba pibana constitution na ayaba pibana masi atopa state tagi laga leiragasu masi NRC da mingchatnom thoi maitai sing natraga Manipuri sing akhoi provision animakta citizenship rules ki 33 clause natraga special provision for other state ki matungina maitai sing gi ming NRC dagi chitha hom thokte.
It's a human machinery. Some error will be there and some mistakes will be there. Human machinery can some mistakes. It's not an issue, but it will be a successful one because it's a result of long pending demands of ASU and Assamese people. Now it's a modalities. NRC now, if, other states can take the modalities of NRC through Assam.
In an effort to enhance spread of public awareness on environment, Chief Minister N. Biren today distributed checks to 3,080 Eco Club schools under the National Green Corps Program 2018-19. During a simple function held at Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat Imphal, a total amount of rupees 1 crore and 54 lakh was handed over to the representatives of Eco Club schools. Today's program was organized by Manipur Pollution Control Board, Lamfelpat, under the sponsorship of Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, Government of India. The Chief Minister said he will initiate action against dishonest officials now engaged in the ongoing economic census. Further, he also underlined the need for the masses to aware about the natural environment and to preserve it. He said giving awareness on environment to young students through Eco Club in every schools is a must. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Travel Affairs Minister and Khaisi and Deputy Speaker K. Robindra, Deputy Commissioners of 16 districts and others were present during the function.
309 crore ro madugi manungda afforestation gi nina hojiki singda khungi lam thawene ekar manga tara pirage sidai da preserve tokjarage na high river singdei da hana emphasis pg ko haidana I honorable minister ko soi wari tana jabni aduna koi this government and the practical loiba akoina higher di tawba aduga ngamoi da budu mayam da commitment pi da budu government amani adu mayam dagi suggestion mayam gi involvement mayam gi support public ki support yaugre de koi ngamoi ana wafam khurje thamaga ai mayam amhon khurumjari
tongan ba akoi gi environment da social laktan ga city pollution thoye muram masina aikoi kuding makna ngasidi aikoina tawriba paikhat iba chakot thorang pulamang singa se yan hanbada aikoi healthy oiba machanga aikoina healthy oigi haragadi aikoi mioi ba jiban natana pithribi da leiriba jiba panba punamakna darkar leiba se hingbada darkar leiba se karino haragadi aikoi yan hanbada air water ising pollution thoklaba air pollution thoklaba nusit pollution thorga aikoi jiba panba amatti hingmonga mo
u amana adum leiriba akoi environment leiriba yam sidi akoi kana ba loin piriba akoi disturb ta adu masi kana ba pi bese akoi haureiba angang sing kaya ga adagi mi kaya amadi aware oide madu aware oibagi madu khwai dagi live lami se care awareness create tauge haragadi eco club haragadi akoi school sing leiba satra sing leiriba mayam sing masi important oi haidana akoi dc leiriba dc mayam sing siga aduga SP adi district ki administration mayam se tarokanda akoi school ga pulakanda eco club se link khatpane.
A combined team of Imphal East Commandos and 5th J&K Rifles today unearthed a huge catch arms and ammunition during operation at Imphal East Sandangsengba Maring Hill. The operation started around 4 p.m., a report said. 2 AK-56 rifles, 2 magazines, 1 M20 pistols, 2 9mm pistols and 10 live rounds of AK-47 rifle were recovered during the operation. Police sources said the operation was continuing and that more weapons could be recovered from the area. A combined team of 43rd Assam Rifles and Moray Police seized suspected brown sugar worth over rupees 5 crore from a drug peddler identified as 38 years old Lunkhongam Haukip, son of Hankulon Haukip of Kolep village within Morbung. As per reports, the contraband items were seized upon frisking and Maruti Ertiga car with registration number MN02G1409 in which Hankulon was travelling in KLP area of Imphal Moray Road. He was later handed over to Moray Police Station for further legal action. Helps have started pouring in for the 3 helpless brothers of Kwaksipai in Lamsang constituency after TOMTV aired an exclusive report about the siblings on August 26. It is worth mentioning that their parents are no more leaving them in destitute. A non-profit group of some professionals based in Dubai has extended monetary aid to the 3 brothers through Manipuri popular singer Arbind Pusparani Sunny and Wongshonla Siro today.
Haitare hoi Dubai da lei bi chinau sing na haitare chimi tami pulap Dubai da thabak tu non lei bi ba chinau sing na mo hoi salary du dagi paisa do kitang kai thok biduna contribution akoi da top director representative oina koi se inau sing da mateng pang malak saban kon ja chaw matam da legai sigi ima ibel sing na su hoi inau sing sigi yamna mateng pang yamna support to bu u da su yamna akoi na nungai penjai
mayam nasu mating pangbiri lakpiduna akoina su kya ujare adubo hazik makha taba angang atombasi lairik tamningli haibasi mana phongdogli aduna makha taba oina education gi matang si mari leinaba singna sodnamaki yengsin bigani haina akoina su thajai sodnamaki su mating pangbiu.
Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam Singh today inaugurated newly constructed 6 classrooms of Chabungbam Ibomcha College, CI College in Bishnupur district. The classrooms were constructed under Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA. They were constructed at the cost of Rs 70 lakh. Today's inaugural function was also attended by MLA of Oinam constituency L. Radhakishore, Chairperson of Bishnupur Municipal Council L. Maniyaima and Principal of CI College Dr. M. Mangi and students. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, L. Radhakishore stressed on the need for good manners among students. He also urged the teaching community to work harder with dedication.
Manipuri mi rich culture hai to sakre mang re apoi culture karma culture no ozara thasi kasina idawa mama pa thasi kasina idawa adu badura apoi culture no, there is not our culture there has to be brought back to our education system, then only we will become great persons, great people.
Payment facility what sector ready tawrabade masa koi basini harji masi sangi ba rakishon to itabushi check to people sangi oza singa to busu ina check to sangi satha singa su oza singa check to sangi koi masensi amaga masida check and balance asoi basi puthole harakatu da koi punna tangara kadu da koi iram da singa kadabani any institution singa kadabani aina makhange aina mahine oza singa leraga ngasi kari shara ya mahi oza singa pullaga oza da ni futa leraga satha ya kai kadre adudagi mu hai ukana adu wali ada wali haini.
Well, it's now time for a short break. Do stay tuned.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi maho kangla bada ngauroi do kana bolai bu
Kangla
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol Gidamak contact Tobiu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 Natraga 8794613154.
Half marathon run. Ichanupi Gidama. Haksang Papa Kuna Amagidama.
Half marathon run Nasibu Yaudi.
Lamthaga from Sendrasi Kundagi, New Mini Secretariat, DC Office Complex.
Organized by District Administration, Bishnupur.
Powered by District Police, Bishnupur.
Open category for all ages, men and women.
Form submission Taubagi Aroiba date na September 10, 2019.
Kaubiragano September 15, 2019.
For details, please contact 9378 121 752.
Admission is going on for Ruman Technologies. Free computer training and other courses. Facilities available. Placement assistance. Free books. Traveling allowance for girl students. Government recognized certification. Free uniforms. For more details, please visit Ruman Technologies, Kwakaithil Bazaar, Imphal, near Manipur Rural Bank. Contact number 8787583445 or 8787304075. Mail us at infalwestpmkk@ruman.net or massmanipur@gmail.com. Ruman Technologies.
Welcome back. Moving on, Custom Preventive Force found a foreign sports car with registration number MAJDA RX8 at custom checkpoint along Indo-Myanmar border around 3 p.m. yesterday. The foreign car was smuggled from Myanmar to Imphal, a report said. Further investigations are on. Irked by the failure of the concerned department to fix the date for written test of recruitment of India Reserve Battalion IRB personnel for the year 2010-11, a committee formed in this regard was warned of democratic forms of protest if the concerned government department fails to fix the date for the said examination soon. This was informed by committee convener Matthew Golmay during a sit-in protest held at Kisampat Yumjau Lairembi Community Hall today. Speaking further, Golmay also expressed dismay over the frequent postponement of the written test since March last, despite a memorandum was submitted to the Chief Minister against the move.
Written test September ke tang manga manung sida date fix orga sunumi tawni have the fix to biro have ge koi khulauni na trabadi koi ge date 6 digi 6 September sidige koi ge democratic agitation haiban chingba koi bannung adugumba koi se changning de tawning de adubu koi Manipur sidadi ban natradi mirayewa aduna koi tawdi tawning de praja myam kalaga ban habse praja myam awaban nangbani adu tawdubi yadradi koi se adugumba haidok tradi koi ban se dum horani habge koi ke waremni.
A 30-member team of Nehru Yuva Kendra and YK of Wangjing Tentha Block, Thoubal left Imphal to take part in a 6-day training on natural disaster management to be held at 12 Battalion National Disaster Response Force Training Center at Doimuk, Arunachal Pradesh. The team was flagged off from North AOC Imphal by Director of NYK Sangathan Manipur, J.K. Riva. According to a release from Thoubal District Youth Coordination of NYK Michael Thangmilian Mate, the training program has been organized under a pilot project taken up by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, to train the youths to become the first responder during any emergency situation. Social Awareness Service Organization SASO observed the World Overdose Awareness Day at the Panchayat Bhavan of Imphal East DC complex today. The day was being observed to remember and condole every individual who died of drug overdose across the globe. Additional District Magistrate of Imphal East Samin Ahmed Saha was the chief guest of the function, while JD-TI Max Abhiram Mongjam was the President, and Chief Medical Officer of Imphal East Dr. Indra Singh and DACO of Imphal East Dr. N. Romila Devi were the guests of honor. A motivational campaign for students on the theme "It's Not Over" has kicked off today at R.K. Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya, Pangai. The program is organized by Life Jam Foundation, New Delhi. The event will continue till September 4th. On the opening day today, member of the foundation Ijak Chaudhary and artist Sam David shared the students on their struggle, motivating the students besides entertaining them with musical performances. Program coordinator Dr. Kimnunem Kipgan Kalimel talked about the current issues faced by youngsters. He added that the program is held to help cut stress and tension among the youngsters through soothing music and motivational talks.
So the objective of this particular tour is that children relate to the artist or the program, and then they're able to see that they're not alone. That they are not alone going through this problem, and if changes happen in that person who's sharing his story, then they can happen in their lives also. So that's the main objective of why we do these tours. So we reach schools, we do this performance of music and life, and the artists will share about their transformational stories, and then we do like a question and answer session with them, like here, like it's happening over here.
On the other hand, talking to TOMTV, a class 12 student of the school, Sivani expressed happiness that the program will certainly help the students.
The benefits which we have got is that we have been inspired by the sir which have come from Mumbai. He has the inspiration which he gave us based on his life story has really inspired us. It touched us, it made us cry, and then we'll make sure that we'll be bringing a change to something like that.
A 2-day-long annual workshop on National Group Meet Rabi 2019-20 concluded today at the auditorium of Central Agriculture University, CAU, Manipur. The workshop was conducted by CAU Manipur in collaboration with All India Coordinated Research Project on Forest, Crop and Utilization ICAR Jhansi. Directors of ICAR Manipur and IGFRI Project Coordinator and several others attended the closing day of the workshop. Organization Secretary of the workshop, Dr. R. Joseph Koiran, explained about the main objectives of the workshop as finding ways for preserving grazing space for animals and also discussing on good quality fodders.
Koi Manipur da koi na hapkalli ba kanosina akoi gi lairi ba beren oina lairi ba hai tare koi uwa kakthalaga koi na hana sajik chafam oina lairi ba lam mangsilak pumna mangsijo koi na kamai tawra kan ngam gadra hai bagi sina sing bagi koi program sing asi koi so one of the main topic oina koi thamjal lai atopa scientist kharana akoi gi animal nutrition hai tare sajik se pi jara ka kyam senda kana phangari sangom si kyam pi thupangam gani adogi mathakta hena lairi ba sajik sina karmaine preserve tawgani karmaine lira thamgani hai bagi na chingba koi technology mayam su koi ne khanna lai.
It's now time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Salai Holdings Private Limited की Smart Universal Academy बो अगस्त की तांग तरा निपाल दा होटल ताज वेस्ट एंड बेंगलुरु दा ब्लाइंड विंग इंडिया न सिनबा इंडिया एजुकेशन अवार्ड 2019 ये तोपगी थोरम दा बेस्ट डिजिटल स्कूल विथ CSR इनिशिएटिव इन मणिपुर 2019 हाइब अवार्ड अमदी तांग कुंगनी थोय दा दिल्ली की ताजमहल होटल दा इंटीग्रेटेड इचिवर्स न सिंदुना पांगतोखिबा 10th नेशनल एजुकेशन एंड बिजनेस समिट 2019 दा स्कूल असी की प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर नारिंगुम समरजित सिंह दा नेशनल एजुकेशन एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड 2019 पिरकपदा ngakoi leitna nungai फोंदोकचरी.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi na traga sengdi haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Moving on, Kumbi constituency MLA S. Bira has assured to restore the road stretch from Phobak Chau Ikhai to Kumbi very soon. He was talking to media while overseeing condition of the road today. The MLA was accompanied by Executive Engineer of PWD T.H. Ranjit, Assistant Engineer T.H. Santi and other officials. Bira added that earlier the road was repaired twice from the MLA Local Area Development Fund considering its importance in the area. Further restoration work will be taken up soon after consulting the state government, he assured.
PWD ki district ki executive engineer AESO magi official kumaina lambi thong phataba mayam sing asigi tana jaba matam dai hak asigi se tawdaba yadraba thaba amani hadana koi putho ase hadana tumaina tana jare koi kumbi phaujilaga kumbi dagina Burma ba wa ta khiba ya khiba ki lambi se koi madum oiragadi koi sem ngamgani haibagi thajabadagi koi ngasi mafam masida ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Ahead of the month-long observance of Irabot anniversary beginning tomorrow, the Jananeta Irabot Memorial Trust, Jimet, Jiribam and Friendly Environment Warriors, Jiribam have jointly organized a cleanliness program in and around Irabot complex at Babupara, Jiribam today. Later, a meeting was held between the Superintendent of Police, Jiribam, M. Mubi Singh and the executive body of JIMET to discuss preparations for upcoming Irabot month observance without any disturbance. President of Friendly Environmental Warriors, Jiribam K. Puna Singh assured all help for the month-long observance of Lamjangba Hijam Irabot anniversary.
Ayukta ikalekat tamaga Irabot forum pakjari haiba clear tawjagani aduna hariba thorom masida amuk jagador bisi ama chukna Irabot ki maramda awareness pakjagani loinana Irabot ki maramda khana nainaba pakjagani.
While the country is debating on one nation, one election, the Tripura Assembly has passed a resolution in favor of one nation, one election. Tripura Assembly extended support to hold Lok Sabha election and State Assembly election together for ensuring speedy development of the country. For the CPIM strongly opposed the move. Former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar said, "We are in a democracy. If one nation, one election concept will be implemented, then it will be harmful for our state-central relationship and it will destabilize the democratic rights of citizens." The Football Sports Development Limited FSDL is planning to hold a children's league in Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya in order to popularize football among children and encourage young talents to take up the sports as a career. Addressing a meeting at the club honor of the Indian Super League ISL in Mumbai, FSDL chairperson Neeta Ambani announced 2 initiatives of Women's Under-17 Tournament and Children's League with an aim of popularizing football among women and children in India. Tens of thousands of pro-democracy protesters in Hong Kong today defied a ban on rallying. The arrest of leading activists and rising threats from China to take the streets for the 13th straight weekend. Police banned the demonstration on security grounds, then organizers had cancelled it. After last weekend saw some of the most violent clashes in months of political turmoil, demonstrations against a now suspended legislative amendment proposed by the government have been taking place since the end of March. The suspended extradition bill would enable Hong Kong to consider extradition requests from countries where there is no prior agreement. Now let's have a look at today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Japanese encephalitis, dengue cases inch closer to 100 in Churchandpur. Park brewing trouble in Northeast. Centre committed to ensuring media freedom, says Union Minister Javadkar. Miyam Ginumit and Hill Leaders Day, state to be declared drought affected, says Chief Minister. The People's Chronicle. Government likely to declare state drought hit today. UNC memo to Prime Minister demands Naga flag constitution. Minister Sham vows media slugfest with MP Ranjan. Hunt on to arrest Babysana GAC leaders. 1 held, 15 still in jail. Imphal Free Press. 3 surrender before court in connection to fake encounter case. Combined Miyam Ginumit and Hill Leaders Day held. Chief Minister distributes 3 saplings. The Morning Bell. Babysana's father loses faith in state police, says will give statement only to CBI. Construction of Manipuri University of Culture will start soon, says Minister Jayanta Kumar. ZUF greets on Hypo Jadonang's death anniversary. Combined Miyam Ginumit Hill Leaders Day held. CM meets about 1,500 people, attends to around 450 complaints. Manipur Mail. CM Biren meets people. Drought to be declared today. Teachers should nurture students, says Minister Radheshyam.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. Assam finally gets updated NRC. Over 3 crore found eligible. Environmental awareness through Eco Club a must, says Chief Minister Biren. Huge catch of arms and ammo unearthed in Imphal East. And brown sugar worth over rupees 5 crore seized on Imphal More Road. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.